that I want to make apparent with Vida that's happening due to the prolific poisoning is her fur. It's become very rough. She used to have silky fur, but now it's becoming very, very rough. She had really a bad skin reaction when it first started. She's apparently become quite used to it now. But she has, I was noticing recently, these rough patches, and it's growing now. She's going to go blind soon. Look at the extent of the opaqueness in her eyes. You can actually see it on the video from that angle. She just feels so sick, and she's so afraid. Because apparently when Cracker drags them out of my room, drags them out of the RV, Vida's just absolutely terrified. They both feel so unwell. I tried to go sit out in the lobby to give them a little bit of a break from it, but apparently the person that works here is helping them. They immediately communicated with her. For the FBI, that would be an easy thing to trace her phone and their communications with her, telling her what to do.